Hey everyone, welcome back today. Let me tell you, my husband is super excited about what's going on for dinner tonight. Today we're going to be making a, I don't know, buffalo tater tot cheeseburger type casserole. I thought it looked amazing. Sounds amazing. It looks super easy. And scored some serious brownie points with my husband, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already started browning a pound of ground beef. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now we're going to add, I've got a medium onion here diced, and I've also got about 3 cloves of garlic. 3 large cloves of garlic. Y'all know me already. And we're going to continue to cook this until the meat is completely done. And we're gonna get this onions softened up a little bit. Now, my meat is pretty lean. That cow was pretty lean, so I may not have to drain it. If yours has a lot, if you're not using a lean hamburger, then you might want to drain yours off. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm not gonna add any salt because this is a buffalo type dish. So the buffalo sauce already has quite a bit of salt content in it. Now we're going to add a can of petite diced tomatoes and a can of this is the, what is this? It's 14.5 ounce can, and then you want a small can of the diced chilies. We're going to incorporate that and heat it thoroughly. Let those tomatoes cook down just a little bit. And we're going to add about a half to a 3/4 cup of buffalo sauce. I'm going to start with half a cup because, you know, that's a lot of buffalo sauce. Or hot sauce. That's not buffalo sauce, it's hot sauce. And we're going to let this go probably for about 10 minutes. You know what? I think I might add a few more dashes of that. I want it to be nice and buffalo-y. We're going to go ahead and add about a cup of the sharp cheddar cheese. Oh, you know what? Make sure I don't get any of that packaging into the mixture. You're going to need 2 cups total, so you might want to go ahead and just shred it all at once. Actually, it'd be a good idea to just shred it before you get started with your recipe, to be honest with you. I think I've got it all over the stove. Let's combine that. Now, into your lightly sprayed baking dish. It goes. That smells amazing. And then you're just going to top that with your tater tots. I cannot tell you how excited my husband is over this. You know what? I'm just going to pour them in there and then kind of arrange them. So going one by one. Now we're going to pop this in the oven, 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. We're going to pull it out. We're going to top it with the remaining cheese, and then we'll be ready to eat. So I made a nice big salad to go with ours. So let's try a bite. That's a lot of flavor. Oh. The only thing I change is add a little bit more cheese. But other than that, it's perfect. It's a little spicy, but it's good. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.